Hello. Today we're going to talk about setting goals and creating a plan to achieve them. This is an important step in achieving your goals and can help you stay on track and motivated. Setting goals and creating a plan to achieve them is an important step in achieving your desired outcomes. By using the SMART method, you can ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This can help you stay on track and motivated towards achieving your goals. Here is a breakdown of the SMART method. Specific, your goals should be clear and well-defined. Instead of setting a vague goal like lose weight, a specific goal would be lose 10 pounds in the next 6 months. Measurable, your goals should be trackable and measurable. This means that you should be able to track your progress and know when you've achieved your goal. In the previous example, you could measure your progress by weighing yourself regularly and keeping track of your weight loss. Achievable, your goals should be realistic and attainable. It's important to challenge yourself, but setting unrealistic goals can set you up for failure. Relevant, your goals should align with your values and priorities. For example, if you value your health, a relevant goal might be to eat healthier and exercise more. Time-bound, your goals should have a specific time frame for when they will be achieved. This can help you stay on track and motivated. Once you've set your goals using the SMART method, the next step is to create a plan to achieve them. This can help you break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to lose 10 pounds in the next 6 months, your plan might include things like joining a gym, hiring a personal trainer, and tracking your food intake. It's important to regularly review and adjust your plan as needed. This can help ensure that you are making progress towards your goals and that your plan is still relevant and achievable. It's also important to celebrate your accomplishments and reward yourself for reaching milestones along the way. This can help keep you motivated and on track. Additionally, it's important to be flexible and adapt to changes. Life is unpredictable and things may not always go as planned. If you encounter obstacles or setbacks, it's important to be able to adjust your plan and find ways to overcome them. By staying committed and staying the course, you can achieve your goals and reach your desired outcomes. So remember to set your goals using the SMART method, create a plan to achieve them, regularly review and adjust your plan, and be flexible and adapt to changes. With dedication and perseverance, you can reach your goals and achieve success. In conclusion, using the SMART method to set goals and creating a plan to achieve them is a valuable tool for achieving your desired outcomes. By being specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can stay on track and motivated towards reaching your goals. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan, as well as being flexible and adaptable to changes, can help ensure that you are making progress and ultimately achieving success. Hello. Today we're going to talk about setting goals and creating a plan to achieve